Our good friend Mark Zuckerberg from Facebook says the panic over AI taking everybody's job may be overblown. But there's one awkward detail. Meta, his company, recently eliminated around 8,000 jobs while pouring billions of dollars into artificial intelligence. In a new manifesto called The Future is for Everyone, Zuckerberg argues that AI shouldn't be controlled by a handful of giant companies or governments. He wants everyone to eventually have a personal super intelligent assistant that helps them learn, invent things, and even start businesses. Well, yeah, that sounds all great on paper. But here's the part that people are skipping. Zuckerberg does admit that companies could become smaller and that workers may experience a difficult transition. His prediction is that AI will create more small businesses and new career jobs, like world builders, experienced designers, and personal biologists, whatever that means. So is Zuckerberg right, or is he selling us the future Meta needs us to believe in it? And that's a key question. The evidence is mixed. The International Labour Organization says 1 in 4 jobs could be affected by AI, although changing jobs is currently more likely than completely eliminating them. That's good, at least for now. The World Economic Forum also predicts millions of new jobs, but 41% of them, employer survey said they expect to reduce their workforce as AI starts automating certain tasks. So Zuckerberg may be right in the long run. The problem is that workers have bills today, right now, and nobody can promise the new jobs will arrive quick enough for these new. Do you believe AI will create more jobs than it destroys? Or is Zuckerberg asking workers to trust a billionaire's bet who has unlimited amounts of money?